how to edit audio on Capcut on Android. So first of all, what you have to do is select the videos of which you want to edit the audio. I have selected the video here, and then second step is that extract the audio for this video. So to extract the video, go to the audio sections, and here is the option of extract. Tap on it, extract the videos, extract the sound from the videos you want. Now, the next step is that go to the sound options. Okay, so the next step is that first of all select the audio which you want to edit. So when you will select the audio, here a lot of options will appear at the bottom of your screen. Now you can split the audio, you can go to fade in, fade out sections and simply adjust the fade in and fade out options. And here is the option of volume, so you can increase or decrease the volume and tick on it. And then here you have voice effect. So again a bunch of options will appear with different sections, so you can go to different sections, and again when you'll tap on it, you'll have the option to adjust various factors as per the options and sections. So you can simply adjust those factor as per necessity and then tick on this. You can delete the audio, you can enhance voice, isolate voice, and here is the speed control. You can make it slow, faster as per your wish, and then you can reduce noise. You can duplicate the sound. So, yeah, a lot of options. You can use them to edit your audio. I hope this video or tutorial will be helpful to you. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. See you guys in the next video.